The bathing bar industry encompasses a wide range of manufacturers and brands that produce soap bars specifically designed for bathing purposes. The demand for bathing bars in export markets can vary depending on factors such as consumer preferences, trends, and economic conditions in different regions. Medicinal bathing bars are formulated with ingredients known for their therapeutic properties such as antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, or moisturizing agents. These bars often contain natural extracts, essential oils, or specific additives. They are designed not only to cleanse the skin but also to provide additional benefits such as soothing irritations, promoting healing, and maintaining skin health. Anti-acne soaps formulated with ingredients like salicylic acids, benzoyl peroxide, or tea tree oil to help combat acne-causing bacteria, reduce inflammation, and unclog pores. Moisturizing soaps designed to hydrate and nourish dry skin, containing ingredients such as shea butter, glycerin, or coconut oil to help retain moisture and improve skin barrier functions. Anti-fungal soaps formulated with ingredients like ketoconazole or tea tree oil to help treat fungal infections such as athlete's foot or ringworm by killing fungi and preventing their growth. Antibacterial soaps containing antibacterial agents such as triclosans or bench alkonium chloride to help kill bacteria on the skin and prevent infections commonly used in healthcare settings or individual prone to bacterial skin conditions. Exfoliating soaps containing agents like alpha hydroxy acids to help remove dead cells, unclog pores, and improve skin texture. Herbal soaps formulated with chamomile or aloe vera to help soothe irritations, reduce redness, and calm sensitive or inflamed skin. Many countries import soaps, but some of largest importers include the United States, Germany, France, Japan, the United Kingdoms, China, Canada, Italy, the Netherlands, and the Australia. Additionally, emerging markets in regions like Asia, Africa, and Latin America are also increasing their imports of soap products as their economy grows and consumer preference evolve. Thank you for watching our videos. Have a good day.